everybody, thanks so much for joining me. I am super excited because I came home from work today and I found this beautiful package, well, shoved in my mailbox, which I didn't appreciate that, but thank goodness it doesn't seem as though anything can break on it. But this is from Creative Notions. This is my subscription box, but it's in a bag this month, so that's very exciting. And Vicky was so sweet. After I posted the last unboxing of my subscription, I had stated that, you know, I was going to have to cancel it because I'm trying to kind of keep the expenses down and to eliminate things. I mean, everybody knows how, you know, it's tough out there these days. Things, you know, are expensive. And, you know, when you're on your own and you have, you know, some expenses in your life, and things keep going up except your salary, you just have to cut back sometimes. But she was so sweet, and she wrote and she said she will continue my subscription as, you know, if I showcase them on my YouTube videos. So I am very thankful for that. Thank you so much. It is very exciting. And that by no way, you know, makes judgment as to what I say or what I do during my videos. I'm very honest, kind of like not a sugar-coated type gal. I like to state it like how it is. So if there was something that I didn't like, you know, I'd be honest with you. So without further ado, I hate when people do with all that gibbering. And here I am doing all the gibbering. So let's just, I almost don't even want to cut this bag because it's, oh, I love it. I wonder Vicky, where do you get these bags from? I mean, I send out things through my Stampin' Up! Business, and I would love to know where you get your bags from, because I think my customers would love getting them too. Oh, look at this. It's like a pretty package. It says, begin every day with gratitude. And isn't that the truth? I am grateful every single day for, you know, so many things good things, and, well, sometimes some bad things that have happened in my life. Today is actually the 5th of March, and it's my mom's 2-month anniversary from passing, and it just seems like it was so long ago. It's only been 2 months, but I don't know. I miss her so, but I know she's watching over me, because a lot of good things have happened since Mom's been gone. And a lot of times, you know how you just want to pick up the phone and you go to call someone and then you realize that you can't. You know, it's kind of sad. But I have a lot of friends out there that have big shoulders for me to lean on, and I'm very grateful for that. So I do begin every day with gratitude. And thank you, Vicky. A lot of gratitude for you and your quilt shop business, and for deciding to continue my subscription where I would do my unboxings for you. And I'm very excited because there's nothing like getting a package or a card or something other than bills in the mail. Don't you think? I think so. So look at this. Look at this cute little organza bag. I love these. These are so nice to re-gift. I'm all about re-gifting things. You know, not like bad things, but, you know, this to put a little treat in for someone, it's wonderful. So let's see. If you see me with a seam ripper, now is not the time. Oh, dear. Why did she make things? Well, she enjoyed it, of course, but it also somehow helped her remember who she was and where she came from. Oh, I love that. I'm going to hang that up here on my wall, and I should actually take this to work, and I should have it in a frame, so with a seam ripper on my desk. And well, you know how people sometimes who you work with, you know, and look how cute. Here's a seam ripper. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Actually, my daughter, when my mom passed away, we were going through a lot of her things, and she has an old Singer sewing machine. It used to be one in one of those wooden desk kind of things where, like, it kind of, oh, I don't know how to explain it. The sewing machine kind of flipped down under and the thing all closed up, so it looked like a piece of furniture. And then when you wanted to sew, you open this, and pull up your sewing machine and you sew. But then when Mom had to downsize to the apartment, she got rid of that, but she kept her machine, and it's in a real nice case. And that is actually the sewing machine I learned how to sew on. I started sewing, I don't know if you want to hear this, I started sewing back in home ec class, back in grade school. And I remember my first thing I ever sewed was a smock. How many of you can relate to a smock? I can still see it in my eyes. And I remember taking it home and, you know, learning how to sew, and Mom would be there helping me. So anyhow, when it came time to, you know, in the back of her closet was a sewing machine, and it was like nobody needed a sewing machine. And I didn't really need a sewing machine, but it just brought back memories of learning how to sew and Mom helping me to, you know, to complete my smock, which I thought was amazing, by the way. And it truly was. In the 70s, that was the thing, you know. But anyhow, my daughter was, we were going through Mom's, well, things, and she has a basket in there that had all kind of goodies and such, you know, with her threads and that. And Mom had an extra seam ripper, and I was going to give it to my daughter. Well, maybe I'll give her this one. So, Michelle, I know you're watching. Would you like this one? Or Graham's seam ripper? Up to you. Okay. All right. Moving on. Here we have a all-purpose glue stick. Amazon Basics, and I actually bought these. I was doing a bingo with my Stampin' Up! Business, and they were bigger ones, and I have to tell you, they work great, so if anybody's wondering. And here's our pin, our little charm, and look at it's a little seam ripper. Isn't that the sweetest? I love that. It's so cute. And feel the sensation. York Peppermint Patty can never go wrong with that. And that is not going to go back in that bag, because it's going to go right over there. Okay. Great, great, great. Okay, so let's save the fabric for last. Let's see what we got here. What are these? They're little hexagons. And, not really sure what they are. Looks like they maybe would be like an iron-on kind of thing. I have to smell them. Sorry, just my thing. So we'll have to see. Oh, maybe it has something to do with the pillow. Okay, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. And look at this cute little bag. Oh, I love this. I mean, Vicki, you guys, you do such an amazing job at packaging. And I'm super excited about it. And let's see what we have here. Plant this flower and watch it grow. Oh my goodness. It looks like there's little seeds in there. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, here's about the Creative Notion subscription box featuring Coco by Ches Moy for Moda. Beautiful fabric made me think of spring flowers. During the long winter months, we often wait impatiently for spring to arrive. Isn't that the truth? It's almost time for watching the bulbs we've planted pop out of the ground. As a quilter, one can think of grandmother's flower garden quilts we've seen, and some have made using so many tiny little pieces of fabric. I began inspired by so many things, but lately it's been grandmothers. Our grandmothers were true artists, but also very thrifty. I love the saying, use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without. Oh, that is so cool. I love that too. The pattern this month is a very simple version of just one flower block. If you've never made a grandmother's flower garden before, then this will give you a fun way to play with the hexagon blocks in the bigger scale. And I haven't. I'm very new to quilting, actually. I hope you enjoy the simple paper piercing using the sewing machine to make something beautiful. Remember to share your creations for a chance to win a fat quarter bundle, but mostly give inspiration to your fellow quilting sisters. Enjoy. Creative Notions. And there is their website there if you're interested in checking out. They have a real nice store online. They sell all sorts of things. Along with, you can go ahead with the subscription box too. So in here, excuse me. Oh, plant your flower in a pot of dirt. Cover with 1/4 inch of dirt and water it. Place the pot in a sunny window, water regularly, and wait. Beautiful flowers will appear just in time for spring. Oh, I'm going to do that. That's so cool. Share your box with your friends. If they sign up for a monthly subscription, you'll earn a free box for each one that signs up. Your payment will be refunded to you when we verify that your friend signed up. So they also ask you to post your projects made for a chance to win a Fat Quarter bundle. And they are on, oh, here we go. Sorry. On Facebook, Instagram. Of course, they have their website as well. And your total Creative Notion box value is $43.24. So we have 8 fat quarters, seam ripper charm, clover seam ripper, flower paper with seeds, freezer paper, hexagon blanks. Oh, okay, that's what they are. A pattern and glue sticks. So that's so cool. I love that. So that's what these are then. These are freezer paper hexagon blanks. Okay. And then here is the pattern, and this will be fun. Easy hexagon pillow, fat quarter friendly pattern. Oh, I love that they're, you can use these fat quarters to make things. So, quilt the pillow top, finish your pillow. Well, I guess you have to go here, cutting instructions, so it tells you exactly what you need. And then you use these. Oh, that's why they gave you the glue stick. Okay. All right. That's good. And here's other supplies needed. So I love their little vintage trailer. I'm so into those anymore. Okay. So that is super cute. I can't wait to give that a try. So let's check out the fabric and look at, they even use a piece of the fabric to tie it with. And oh my goodness, if these don't remind you of grandmas. Now I'm a grandma. So, but these are before my time. But look how beautiful this fabric is. Oh my goodness. This is going to make a beautiful, let me put this here so we can see them all. Let's do this. A beautiful pillow. I can't wait to try that and see. Let me put them here so you can see. And look at these cute little flowers. Little dainty flowers. They go together so well, all the colors. Love that. And here it is in like a pink. Cute. I love the fabric. And then here's the one just like the first one, but the background is yellow. I love that. Looks like we're having a little repeat. A little bit of this with blue. I'm trying to make out what that is. So this is fabric by Moda. And I have to tell you, I'm used to buying fabric at, you know, those stores. You know what I'm talking about. The quality of this fabric is so much nicer. It's so super soft. I love the little flowers there. And look at this. This has to be my favorite color out of all of them. But beautiful, beautiful fabric. A beautiful pattern to make this. Look at this. These pillows. Oh, I can't wait to give this a try. And of course, all of our other goodies, our seam ripper and our little plantable flower that I'm going to have so much fun. Our glue stick, our little whimsical seam ripper, now not being the time, and this cute little charm by Pin Peddlers. And they also make custom pins, charms, and more at pinpeddlers.com. So I'll give a little plug for them too. So Vicki, great job this month. Love it, love it, love it. Love the fabric, love the pattern. And I love these fat quarter friendly patterns. So keep those coming. I love them. So if you're interested in subscribing, go ahead and check them out. Let me find the card. Here, let me see, where was it? Here we are, right here. Oops, there you are. At www.creativenotionsquiltshop.com. And give it a try. I mean, it's really, really worth the amount that you pay for it. You get very high quality fabric and notions. I mean, Clover is a very good name as far as sewing items and the pattern and all the fun stuff. And it's just fun to get something in the mail other than a bill or crap mail. To have this little bundle in your mailbox waiting for you after a long day of work, I mean, nothing's better than that, right? So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to check them out. And I will be back again very soon with another fun video. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.